What word do you have there? What's right there in your words? What word is that?
Up.
Very good. What's the next one?
Dog.
Good. What's the next one?
Hat.
Good job. And the next one?
Up.
Up. Turn them around. Here. There you go. What's that one?
Cat.
Good. Next. No, they'll keep turning it around. Okay. What's that one?
Baby.
Very good. The next one?
Bat.
Good job. Oh, wrong one.